FlyWP's new Global Blueprints lets you launch fully configured WordPress sites in just a few clicks. Instead of installing plugins, themes, and settings manually, you can start with a ready-made stack built for a specific use case. Let's take a quick look at each available blueprint. Want a marketplace like Etsy or Amazon? The one named Multi-Vendor Hub combines WooCommerce, Doken, Blocksy, and essential commerce tools so you can launch a multi-vendor platform right from day one. If you're looking for the fastest path to an online store, the Starter Shop blueprint keeps things simple. WooCommerce, Stripe Payments, and the Storefront theme give you everything needed to start selling immediately. This Pro Stack takes e-commerce further with point of sale, analytics, conversion tracking, AI tools, and advanced WooCommerce functionality. It's designed for businesses that need a complete commerce ecosystem. For bloggers, educators, and content creators, the Blueprint Creator Starter includes tools for growing newsletters, creating content, managing documentation, and tracking performance with Google Analytics. The Workplace Suite Blueprint transforms WordPress into an internal business platform for HR, project management, and team collaboration, giving your organization a centralized workspace. Let me show you the global blueprints in the FlyWP control panel and walk through how to select one when creating a new site. We'll click the Create a New Site button here. I'm going to choose Instant WordPress just to speed things up for us. Next, next. Scroll down here. This is where the blueprint functionality is. You can click on Select Blueprint, and it brings up the list of global blueprints available, including Multi-Vendor Hub, the Starter Shop, Commerce Pro, Creator Starter, and Workplace Suite. And each of those, if you hover over each of the little icons here, it shows you what plugins and themes are included in each blueprint. So we're going to go ahead and click a Creator Starter blueprint, highlights it here. You can clear it and choose another one. Once you've selected your blueprint, just click Next. And there you have it. It's creating the site and including all of the plugins and themes that are included in that blueprint, and it's ready to go for you to enjoy. All right, so we've got all of our plugins installed from that global blueprint that we chose. So that's a quick look at FlyWP Global Blueprints. Whether you're building a store, marketplace, creator platform, or internal business portal, these templates can save you hours of setup time and help you get online much faster. Now, this website I created with the multi-vendor global blueprint. Let's take a look at how it looks on the front end. And we can use the magic login button here to log into the admin with one click. And once we're logged in, you can easily see which plugins the global blueprint included for you automatically. So we see that Doken is the multi-vendor plugin. We have our normal FlyWP helper plugin and the Redis object cache plugin. Triora is an AI virtual try-on plugin, which is great. They include that as part of the global blueprint, as well as a standard WooCommerce and the Stripe Gateway payment processing plugin. So that's how easy it is to get started with a global blueprint.